Hi, I'm Farida Ashrin, Additional Marketing Analyst at IPCS Global, Bangalore. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create an Instagram ads. Go to Instagram profile, select a post what you want to promote. Select a next, write a content. Here you can write a hashtag. Now you can share it. Your post had been shared. Now you click a boost button. What you want people to do when they see your ads. You can select a visitor profile, visit a website and message you. So now here we are going to select a visitor website. So here we are giving website link. Down we are giving a button as shop now. What you want to see when people are seeing your ad. So you can create your own audience. Write an audience name. Write a location. And save it. Interested? Now you can save this. Now you can select your age group. I'm selecting the age. Now you can select a gender. Here we are going to select a male and you can save it. What is your ad budget? So per day your charge is 88 rupees. Number of days here we selected as 6 and now you can select a boost. Now you can do the payments. This is how we are creating Instagram ads.